And I know the suggestion was stay in your groove, stay in your routine, keep dressing up at home. Child, who was not about to be dressing up to look at myself on a Zoom meeting was me. Yeah. Hello, 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 and welcome to the reintroduction of you. Whether it's your first time or you're returning, I just want to thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me today. So I am actually going to do a bit of a haul here between Banana Republic Factory and Target. You cannot get on YouTube without finding dozens and dozens of videos, fall work essentials, fall trends, fall capsule wardrobe 2023. And so I am not about to bore you or try to suggest to you what you should put into your capsule wardrobe or your fall wardrobe, because honestly, only you know what really works best for you and your lifestyle. I have been back in the office myself since like roughly September 2021. That's a whole nother story, because I that was a personal choice for me to go back into the office. But the rest of the organization came back into the office in March of 2022. And it's only one day a week. But with all of this stuff in the news, it makes you wonder, like, are they going to start to increase the amount of time that we're in the office? I don't see people near as much as I used to. So while I do still dress up, because I don't wear leggings and yoga pants and stuff like that to work, that's just not how I roll, even though it's okay in the place I work. That's just now how I specifically roll. I do know that I don't have a solid wardrobe. I just have a few pieces that, really I'm like working the hell out of right now. But anyway, so it got me like, man, I really need to make sure that I add some pieces to my wardrobe, because if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So I am making sure that I stay ready, right? So if you just sit back, relax, and enjoy, I'm going to show you some of the pieces that I picked up from Banana Republic Factory and Target. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is this green top from Target that I paired with these green trousers from Banana Republic Factory. So first of all, I have been trying to track down some satiny type tops for a while, because honey, I don't care if you put a satin top with jeans or trousers or some joggers, it always looks chic. So when I walked into Target and they had all of these different tops and all of these different colors in that satiny type material, I just went like gaga over it, like seriously. And then of course, green is my favorite color, any shade. So I picked this up so quickly. And then I got these green pants from Banana Republic Factory. Now, every year, Banana Republic Factory puts out these trouser pants in several shades. And so when I saw the green ones, I was like, add to cart, apply rewards, check out. Like seriously, it was a no-brainer. What I will say about these particular pants is that I did order these in a petite. Now you would think that at 5 foot tall that I would wear petite pants, but I do not. And the reason why is because of my proportions and the fact that the bottom half of my body actually is like normal length. I struggle with petite. So even though I need to get the pants hemmed, the rise is too short. And the way the hips sit they like sit further up than I would like them. So I'm actually going to trade these for a regular length because the petite just doesn't work for me. And then I'll just get the regular length hemmed, excuse me. But anyway, I really like this monochrome outfit. I have this Coach green little carrying bag with me, and then some Mark Fisher black booties. But overall, I thought this was a really cute look. It's monochromatic. It's pulling out all kinds of greens. And again, all of these items, 10 years from now, you'll still be able to wear them. You'll still be able to put them together because they're classic pieces, not here today, gone tomorrow. So here we have two pieces that I got from Banana Republic Factory. Both of them are from there. So again, talking about my satiny tops that I was looking for, I found this navy blue that I thought was just really pretty. This satiny top is cut a little different. It has more of a tailored cut. The previous one had more of a baggy, relaxed cut, but this is more kind of gives you that shape at the waist or whatever. And then of course I have these bootcut trouser pants from Banana Republic too. So again, you can see the difference between the way these look and the previous ones. These are regular cut, and I think they fit me better than the petites did, the green ones that I had earlier. But when I saw this shade of blue, I was like, OMG, sign me up. It is so pretty. It's just such a pretty shade of blue. So I have it with the Sam Edelman heels in this kind of nudish color. I always have a pair of nudish color heels because they really do go with almost everything. 95% of colors are gonna look good even with nude heels. And then I paired it with, of course, this bag that kind of brings in the rich tones as well. So altogether, I thought this was a really, really nice outfit. All right, so next up, we have a much more casual piece. It is this denim dress. Now, if you have been watching YouTube videos and the fashion werewolves, as they say, you have seen this dress. I have seen it so many times, and I generally don't get influenced by other people. I might like what they do, but they're like, "Ooh, I gotta have that too." Generally, I don't like succumb to that, but I did this time, child. And let me tell you, this piece is a winner. I love it so much. It's one that you can do casually. It's one that you can dress up. Here you can see that I have it with suede boots. I could wear that to work. I could wear it out with my girls. I could wear that to church. Like, this is super versatile. I've also seen people use this because it is a dress and it zips up, but I've seen people use this as just like a jacket, like a duster as well. So this thing is really versatile. And I was tempted to kind of go up a size because I feel like it's close fitting, but there is a such thing as like getting things too big and it starts to look sloppy. And I think it looks good here. So I decided to keep the size that I have. This is a great piece. And when it finally hit the website, I was like, yes, me today. Yes, deliver 2 business days. I'll take it. Red card discount 5%. Yep, sign me up. All right, so next up, we have this olive green hoodie. I told you green was my favorite color. We have this olive green hoodie that I paired with this denim skirt. And of course, I have on the Doc Marten shoes and some little bobby socks and this jacket. But we'll just talk about the new items, which is the hoodie and the skirt. So hoodie, I mean, you can't go wrong. This hoodie is so soft. It's nice and just, I don't know, just like cozy. It's a really cozy hoodie, but I love this color green. And really, this is one that you can put under a blazer. Here I have it under a jean jacket. You can put it with slacks with your blazer, or you can put it with leggings. Like, this is really another workhorse. This is truly another workhorse. And then, of course, the denim skirt. Now, denim skirts are on trend, have been for about a year or two now. Denim skirts are real tough for me because of the way I'm shaped. I just don't necessarily like the way they drape on me. But I just picked this one up on a whim, and I really like the way it fit. In fact, I've actually already worn this to work with a different top. But to me, this is a cool casual look. The one thing that I will caution you of is when you sit down, that split kind of comes up. So I was having to pull the 2 pieces together whenever anybody walked, by my desk, because I was flashing folks. I was flashing the good people, the good American public. So I just had to be careful with that. But overall, this is something, again, that you'll be able to use for years and years to come. All right, and then the last outfit that we have here is this sweatshirt with these studded sparkles on it. I thought this was super cute, honestly. I just think it's one of those things that's just a basic with a little something special. And so this is one that I honestly think, again, that you can dress up or dress down. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with slacks, you can wear it with a blazer over it, and it just, that sparkle gives it a little extra special something. But here I put it with a pair of these ripped distressed American Eagle jeans, and then we want Chucks and Chapstick. We want Chucks and Chapstick had to make an appearance up in here because, I'm always Chucks and Chapstick at heart, right? And I put on these burgundy Chucks to match the sweater, or the sweatshirt, excuse me. So again, cool casual look. Needs to hit the door and hit the streets, bend a few corners and do some things, and throw this on real quick and you just look so put together and so cute. But yeah, I really like this outfit, and honestly, I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow. So, but yeah, this is the last outfit, and this shirt was from Target. I got this shirt from Target, and again, the jeans from American Eagle. So, anyway, that is the last look. So anyway, that is my Banana Republic factory haul and my Target haul. Banana Republic usually comes through with the nice classic pieces, but sometimes I go into Target and I'm like, what are y'all doing in here? Like everything is just like, oh. But sometimes you go into Target and you're like, oh my goodness, if y'all don't get off of my neck, like they have me in a chokehold right now because they have so many cute things between their Rowan Blazers collection and the Future Collective by Reese Blistein, and then there's just overall fall collection. Like seriously, y'all get off my neck. Like I can't give y'all all the monies. I got on a Rowan Blazers top right now. This is what I wore to work today. Got so many compliments. So yeah, the Target is in that season where they just got me. They got me in the chokehold. But anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.